Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday, January 23rd, and we have an exciting video coming because this is the first part of my apartment hunting series. So excited to move into a new place. So right now we are at our first place of the day, and so we're about to go in. Our appointment's in like 4 minutes. So we're gonna go in, I'm gonna tour the space, take some videos for me, but also for the vlog or for the video, and we'll go from there. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave any of your questions, comments, concerns down below, and now we can get into the video. Okay, you guys, so this is the first apartment that we toured, and this is the A2 floor plan, so it was a bit smaller. I liked it. It was just very standard. Love the windows. Love that it came with a balcony, and then it is right outside of Uptown, just, literally blocks from being inside the city. They do have carpet in the bedrooms, and the bedroom was a little bit smaller. As far as the bathroom goes, the bathroom was really nice, really spacious. You have storage. It had a linen closet in this unit, which was also very nice as well. And then I just really love the countertops and the wallpaper in the shower. I thought that was super pretty, along with the shower head. I don't know why, but I'm obsessed with shower heads, so that's one thing I really looked at. The closet is a bit weird. It looked spacious at first, but not very much. There were just little nooks, and then it does of course come with an in-unit washer and dryer. This unit was a bit bigger in the same apartment building, came with a pantry, and I did use a wider lens on my iPhone to get this video, so everything does look a little bit deeper, but it was very spacious in comparison to the first unit that we looked at. Loved the appliances. I did notice that the drawers, most of them weren't soft shut, but then some of them were, so I thought that was interesting. All the appliances are stainless steel. You get a farmer's sink. The living space area was pretty spacious as well, and you can of course have that sofa backed up to those bar stools. This one did come with a balcony because it's on the first floor, but in the other units that are on the higher floors, it does not come with a balcony. Going into the bedroom, of course, you do have the carpet on the flooring as well. Again, my mom is telling me about measurements and stuff because they came with us to look at this one. Bathroom is pretty much the same as the last unit. Again, I love the countertops. You don't get a linen closet with this one, but that's okay. The closet was a little bit more spacious, but still, again, not that much more spacious. Washer and dryer is of course in the closet as well, and then you can see as far as storage goes, it's going to be a bit tricky with fitting everything in there, I'd say. Okay, apartment 2. Don't quote me on this. I wrote down 824 square feet, but I'm not sure if that's correct. But this one did come with a coat closet for my fur, so I was happy about that. And then the washer and dryer is stackable. Not very up to date as far as modern, but that's okay. And then the cabinets, I don't love the brown, but it still looks very classy in the space. I just feel like in terms of modernization, it looked a little bit older to me. Living room space was really spacious as well, and this one did come with a balcony. It also overlooks the baseball stadium, which could be a good or a bad thing as far as noise goes, if there are fireworks or just the fans going crazy, things like that. The bedroom space was of course really pretty. It's the model, but it did look a little bit smaller, and then there was a ton of storage in the bathroom. Liked the bathroom. Didn't love this shower. It was a little bit just normal to me, just very standard. And the closet was huge, which I loved, but again, just a very standard space. Apartment 3 came with an electric keypad and then a little nook area for the washer and dryer, which was stackable. And then it also came with a little coat closet, again, for the fur, which we love. And then as far as the kitchen space, the kitchen was really beautiful, had a lot of storage, little pantry space as well, which I loved about it. I love the white cabinets. I love the backsplash. Love the electrical appliances as well. The living room space was a bit smaller. There's a farmer's sink, sorry. The living room space was a bit smaller, but it did come with a patio, and I do love that you can look into the middle, but also I would prefer not to. Bedroom was bigger, which I really, really liked about it as well, and then the closet space was much bigger than the previous apartments that I had toured already. The bathroom was standard. It was okay. Wasn't my favorite, but it was still a nice bathroom overall. Came with a lot of storage, and then I didn't love the shower head, but that's just me. Okay, same apartment building, different unit. Sorry, I showed the HVAC. There is the washer and dryer, stackable, not in a little nook, just in a door. Does also have an electrical keypad as well. Another door off to the other side for my fur, as I kept saying the entire time on every tour that I went to. And then as far as the kitchen goes, loved the kitchen again. Loved the white countertops and the stainless steel appliances. The farmer's sink. The kitchen in this unit was just absolutely beautiful to me, and I also really, really liked the balcony and how it didn't have a view of the middle. The kind of island space area was a bit small in terms of it like an eating space if I were to have guests, as well as the living room. I thought it could be a bit bigger, but the way that the unit was shaped, it just kind of made sense, I guess. Bedroom, also a weird shape, but it was pretty spacious. You could fit a lot of things. It just felt a little bit claustrophobic. And then the closet is humongous again, which I loved about that unit. The bathroom you can go in from one side or the other side, so guests don't have to come into your bedroom. But again, the bathroom was just very standard for the pricing of these units. This is actually the next day because I ended up just scheduling all the tours pretty back to back. We're going to one right now for 1:30, then we have a 2:30, then a 3:30, which is one that we've actually already seen yesterday, and then we have one for 4:30, and then we're probably gonna make some kind of decision tonight. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys along again as well so that you can see the places that we view and ultimately help us decide on which one to pick. So we're gonna go ahead and get going because it is 1:21 and we have to be there at 1:30. So I'll see you guys there. Okay, so fourth apartment. Love those shelves. Those were really pretty. And the washer and dryer were again stackable, not the most modern things in the world, but hey, they will wash your clothes. Loved the white cabinetry and the backsplash, as well as the stainless steel appliances. Pretty deep sink and a newer dishwasher, which I loved. Loved the flooring throughout, but I did notice some structural issues that maybe not everyone would pick up on. Loved the balcony, but I will say that with this apartment building, they definitely advertise the floor-to-ceiling windows everywhere on the internet, and they are rarely available. So, was definitely turned off by that because this was actually my first pick on the internet, and I didn't even get to see what I wanted to see because they're never available. I did like the little coat closet in the sideways area, the hallway. And the bathroom was also pretty nice as well. You definitely get a lot of storage, but the counter space was just a little bit small because it is going to be me at first, but eventually my boyfriend will move in with me. So I just didn't think that was enough space for the both of us. Bedroom was a bit oddly shaped in my opinion, but it's workable. I could add a desk in there to work from home. Closet wasn't the biggest I have seen, but it was definitely bigger than some of the other places we toured, so I loved that. Next apartment building was so beautiful. They had a skyrise version and a lower level version. Didn't love how the bathroom was the first thing after you come through the door. The bathroom was pretty nice. Loved the shelving, but I would have preferred doors. And then the shower was a bit on the smaller side, but I think I just got spoiled at that point. Liked the shelving in the hallway, but again, as you can see, this is a longer hallway, so I didn't love that the bathroom was so far away from the bedroom. And then this is I think the HVAC, yeah, that closet, sorry. Keep going through, and then you have the living room. The living room was also a bit weird because it had this little nook area where the nest was, where you would think you'd put the TV, even though my TV would be humongous there, it would not fit. So I was a little confused what that area is for, maybe a bar cart, but then where would I put the TV? Like off to the side? No, that doesn't make sense. The kitchen was absolutely stunning. Loved it. Was small though. And then the bedroom was also very tiny. It was kind of claustrophobic in there, and it didn't have like a full ceiling. So I was wondering if they showed me basically like almost like a studio. The washer and dryer just looked like it took up space in the closet. Closet was a decent size, but off to the side of that washer and dryer, like there was just no, there was extra room there that could have been extra closet. I don't know. And then the door to the room just wasn't actually a door. Again, kitchen was really pretty, and then you have the balcony which overlooks the light rail, the highway, and my boyfriend definitely thought about noise, which would be a thing. The light rail's not that noisy, but the people are. You're within the city of Charlotte, so you could probably guess where this is if you live in Charlotte or if you've toured in Charlotte. Now, this is one of the high-rise units in the same apartment building, and this kitchen was impeccable. I absolutely loved it. I loved the kind of hidden microwave. Didn't love that the stove was gas, but whatever. I'm just scared of burning the place down. Loved the newer appliances, and the living room was beautiful. Along with the windows, you could just look out and see all of Charlotte. It was just beautiful. I also just love the model in general. Super high up, which was really nice. You can see the pool that I just showed you guys down below. This building is actually above Whole Foods in Charlotte, which can be a really good or a really bad thing when it comes to people coming in the building trying to get to the Whole Foods downstairs. I feel like that could create an issue with getting out of the complex. Loved the Samsung washer and dryer, and that was the HVAC door that I could not get into. Loved the bedroom as well. I wish they would have turned the bed up the other way just to show off the windows, but yeah, it was just absolutely stunning. I loved the floor to ceiling windows, and it was just really light and airy. 2 ways to get into the bathroom, which was really nice. And there was some storage in the bathroom, not so much, but you know, enough for there to be something. Loved the shower as well with the shower head and the wallpaper. The closet was weird, just like in the first apartment, but at the end of the day, I just need to stop buying clothes, I guess. Okay, I realized after touring these next 2 units that she didn't really give much information about the square footage, or maybe I just didn't catch it. But nevertheless, these units were beautiful. Didn't love the brown cabinets, but I think that's just because it's now a thing to have white cabinets or gray cabinets. I loved that there was a pantry off to the side and a little island area for you to put bar stools as like your dining area. The living room was pretty spacious as well. I really liked the way they had it set up, so it made it look very like you could add something else almost, but I feel like that would make it a little bit too clustered. Loved the city views with the balcony as well. That pretty much sold me until I got to the bedroom and saw these windows. It was a cloudy day, but it was still so beautiful to look out into Charlotte. The bathroom had quite a bit of storage, and I loved the long mirror that it did have. Shower, I don't really care to have a tub, so I was kind of turned off by the shower, but it was still really nice nevertheless. And then the closet was also a very, very decent size as well, so I did like that. And then you also have 2 ways to come in and out, which is much appreciated as well. I did not close this video out, but please go ahead and click the subscribe button, a like, and comment, and I'll see you all in my next video.